Mastering the a journey through definite articles. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the world of articles, specifically focusing on the use of the, which is a definite article. By the end of this video, you'll have a stronger understanding of when and how to use the, and you'll be able to test your skills with some multiple choice quizzes. The definite article, the, is used when we talk about specific items, persons, or ideas already known to the listener or reader. We also use the when there's only one of something, or when it's clear which one we're talking about. For example, we say, "I saw the movie last night," because it's clear which movie is being referred to. Understanding when to use the can seem tricky, but there are some general rules we can follow. 1. Use the before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific. For example, the apple on the table is mine. 2. Use the with adjectives to talk about a whole group of people. For example, the elderly need our support. 3. Use the with decades or groups of years. For example, she was born in the 80s. 4. Use the with geographical names including rivers, mountain ranges, seas, oceans, and geographical areas. For example, they are sailing across the Atlantic Ocean. Now, it's important to note that there are situations where we don't use the, even if we're referring to something specific. 1. Do not use the before most country or territory names. For example, we say, "He is from India," not, "He is from the India." 2. Do not use the before names of languages. For example, "I am learning English," not, "I am learning the English." Now that we've covered the basics, let's put your knowledge to the test with a quick multiple choice quiz. 1. Which is correct? 2. A. The moon is shining brightly in sky. 3. B. Moon is shining brightly in the sky. 4. C. The moon is shining brightly in the sky. 5. Which is correct? 6. A. She lives in United States. 7. B. She lives in the United States. 8. C. She lives in United States. 9. Which is correct? 10. A. He plays guitar very well. 11. B. He plays the guitar very well. 12. C. He plays a guitar very well. That wraps up our discussion on the definite article. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep applying these rules until they become second nature. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and growing.